Hello folks and welcome to another video here in BGC Manila. The date is 17th of December. That means this video is only about 24 hours old. Yes, it's not footage that I've, kind of pre-recorded and then edited and I'm somewhere else in the world. I'm here today, or yesterday, when you're ever seeing this video. But look at the view over Metro Manila. You're looking at Guadalupe over there right now. And the weather is not looking too great. It's pretty gloomy. Actually, it's lightly sprinkling with rain, as I'll show you. I must warn you, for anybody who's scared of heights, probably look away now. You see how the ground is kind of wet? I was actually planning to go all the way to Rockwell on my Nami scooter and just have a kind of like wander around. How many days has it been now? Maybe 3 days in which I purchased the scooter? But I don't want to take it out in the rain because it is brand new and I do want to keep it in somewhat of a relatively new state as much as I possibly can. And it's kind of hard to do that here in Metro Manila because it's so dusty. I've already seen quite a lot of like dust on the road getting deposited onto my scooter. I have yet to clean it, but I need to buy some microfiber towels just to kind of like get some of that soot and dust off it to maintain the longevity of my brand new scooter. You can hear some construction work going on at the moment. This is the last tower that is being built of the Seasons residence. Can't remember the actual name. It's going to be taller than all the other buildings. And a lot of people are interested in actually buying these condominiums. When I say quite a lot, I know a handful of people that are actually wanting to sell their condos here in Park Suites and get a condo in these buildings because they prefer them. What is convenient is that they do have direct access to Mitsukoshi Mall downstairs. Anyway, enough about condos. I'm always talking about condos because we're surrounded by condos. I'm living in a condo. I'm on the balcony here. But the plan is for the next maybe 2 weeks up until New Year, I'm going to try and bring the daily vlog back once again. I'm going to be uploading every day for you guys, making content. But last night, when I got done finishing yesterday's video, I went out for a spin to Rockwell on the scooter at around about 12 midnight, 12:30 a.m. and shot some content on the Insta360 Go free. Whoa, this is so cool. Woohoo! Oh, we get to EDSA? Anyway, let's go back down. Woo! Oh yeah. Hey, look, we're going as quick as these cars, guys. Freaking cool. I'll tell you what though, that camera isn't really good at night. In the day it's fine and I like the hands-free, but during the night the image quality is very, very pixelated and very noisy, especially if you're trying to capture scenes in low light conditions. You do need to compromise on the image quality to be able to see anything in the picture. I had to like crank up the ISO really high, I had to reduce the, is it a shutter speed? To be able to allow as much light as possible into the camera. But because it's so small, the sensor is so tiny. Tiny sensors are absolutely rubbish in low light conditions because the sensor just isn't simply big enough to be able to absorb as much light as it possibly can. That's why bigger cameras with bigger sensors are good at low light conditions because they have much more area to capture light. But regardless, I was able to capture some scenes. I might show that or include that here. I also met another individual who was on a scooter, but I think they were on a 9-bot scooter. And let me show you how that encounter went. Madam here with her little dog on a 9-bot. Hello, how are you? Look at a little cute dog there. So cute. But yeah, I wish she probably wishes, I mean, that she could go a little faster like I am. You got far to go? You got far to go? Do you have far to go?
This one has far?
No, like where are you going?
Going home.
Where is it? Oh, that one? Or Mandaluyong or Ortigas?
Mandaluyong.
Mandaluyong, yes. Ortigas is very small. But, well, I'm going in that direction, so. I think I'll be saying bye to you in a second. I think I'll be saying bye to you, ma'am.
Okay.
See you!
Woo! She asked me where I'm from. I gotta just answer that question, her dying question of where I'm from. Man's British. We're in Greenfield, eh? I'm from the UK. Yes. Hey, careful, ma'am. I know I'm starstrucking you, but make sure you keep your eyes on the road. Make sure you keep your eyes on the road. No, you're not. You're looking at me. Nice, cute dog there. Oh, so cute. You walk him around or her around BGC, yeah? At night, yeah. It's not too pleasant to walk your dog along these streets here in Mandaluyong. Yeah, I got it like 2 days ago. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Sorry. No. Yours is 9-bot. Mine is Nami.
What?
Nami. Nami. Like the One Piece character. Like the One Piece character, Nami. You know the One Piece character, Nami? Oh. Look, you see? It says Nami. Yeah. The price? The price is 90,000. All right, take care. Bye bye. Woo. Oh, look at this. We're already at Edsa. Oh, I don't want to go through Edsa. Let's make a U-turn and go. Where are we going? Ortigas? Or just Greenfield? Actually, I don't really like going to Ortigas. I like staying in the Greenfield area because it's somewhat nice to drive around. We got some Donnies here just sat up playing games. No, they're all scrolling Facebook and TikTok, even though they're hanging out together. What quality time with friends.
So yeah, it was pretty cool to encounter that person. Didn't catch their name, but we were both on scooters and we were both heading towards Green Hill. I tell you what though, for some reason, the 120 kilometers that I've done on the scooter, all the roads in this area seem to lead to Edsa. Like, I always find myself ending up in Edsa and then having to make a U-turn because I don't want to ride along Edsa. It's just too busy and the road quality isn't great. But some of you were asking in the video how portable the scooter is and how do you charge it. I guess I can show you now how I do that. Let's just take you onto the kitchen. I'll take off my Crocs there. Okay, so this is where I park my EV scooter whenever I'm charging it. I just roll it in ever so gently, make sure I don't ding any of the walls, etc. And I plug the 60-volt charger that's got 5 amps of current into the wall there, and then connect this pin over down here and insert it into the flap there. And then whenever I want to use it, I just pull it out like that, pop it back over here, and roll the scooter out the condo. Now, with regards to the weight, it's not the lightest scooter, and that's normal, of course, because we've got a 25 amp hour battery in the base here with 2 5,000 watt motors each and a aluminium welded body. So this thing is not going to be lightweight. It's not going to be like a feather, but it's still somewhat manageable to carry. And I'm going to carry it now as such. You know, it's good for doing morning glories, if you know what that is. Good for the back. Ooh, ooh. What? If I had to estimate how heavy this is, I feel like it's somewhere in the region between 20 and 30 kilos. Obviously, this grip here isn't great to hold the scooter by, but the reason why I'm mentioning that is because depending on your grip, if you've got like a really good firm grip, things feel lighter than if you've got like a somewhat a crappy hold. Now, as someone who rarely cooks, I don't think I've ever cooked once in the 2 years that I've been here in the Philippines. I have no use for the kitchen space, so parking the scooter there is fine enough. I only need to use the washing machine to wash my clothes, and that's pretty much what I use this space for. And now I'm also using it to store the scooter. Well folks, the time is now 10 PM. I did want to go for a late night scoot once again, but it's still raining out here in Metro Manila. The ground is still wet. And you know what? It's not a lot of rain, it's just a very light drizzle, which makes it really annoying if you do want to go outside for a late night scoot or just even a walk around town. You're gonna have to have an umbrella. But folks,
Unfortunately, I haven't been able to do much in today's video because of the dreary weather, and so I'm going to wrap up today's video here. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family, and I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks to you guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.